Good morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths Online class. Today we are going to discuss about the multiple choice questions, that is exercise 3.20. Already we learned in previous session the system of linear equation in three variables, that is 0 is equal to 0. The system has infinitely many solutions. Then 0 is equal to 1. The system has no solutions. Then exercise 3.20, first sum, a system of three linear equations in three variables is inconsistent if the plans, first option, intersect only at a point, second one, intersect in a line, third one, coincide with each other, option D, do not intersect. So given is inconsistent. Inconsistent அப்படினாலே the system has no solution. If the plans னு சொல்றனால inconsistent னால அங்க என்ன வரும்? No solution. No solution அப்படினாலே do not intersect. So option D is correct. Second one, the solution of the system x plus y minus 3z is equal to minus x, minus 7y plus 7z is equal to 7. 3z is equal to 9 is first one, x plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 6. X plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 6. That is equation number 1. Second one, minus 7y plus 7z is equal to 7. That is equation number 2. Then last one, 3z is equal to 9. That is equation number 3. Last equation, 3z is equal to 9. Then z is equal to 9 divided by 3. Therefore z is equal to 3. Okay. Substituting z is equal to 3 in 2. So apply பண்ணும்போது y ஓட வேல்யூ கிடைச்சிரும். So minus 7y plus 7 into 3 is equal to 7. Then minus 7y plus 21 is equal to 7. Then 21 minus 7 is equal to plus 7y. Minus 7y. Shift to right hand side plus 7y plus 7 shift to left hand side minus 7. Then 14 is equal to 7y. Therefore y is equal to 14 divided by 7 is equal to y. Then 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. Therefore y is equal to 2. Substituting y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3 in 1. So அப்படி அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது x ஓட வேல்யூ கிடைச்சிரும். Then x plus y, that is 2 minus 3z, 3 into 3 is equal to minus 6. Then x plus 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 6. Then x minus 9 or x is equal to minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 shift to right hand side minus 2 minus 9 shift to right hand side plus 9. 9 minus 2 7. 7 minus 6 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. Hence x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Then option x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. So option A is correct answer. That's all. Third sum, if x minus 6 is the HCF of x squared minus 2x minus 24 and x squared minus kx minus 6, then the value of k is, அதாவது HCF அப்படினாலே ரெண்டுக்கும் காமன் ஃபேக்டர், highest common factor. HCF னா highest common factor அப்படினா ரெண்டுக்கும் காமன் ஃபேக்டர் வரும் x minus 6. அப்ப p of 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Compulsory p of 6 is equal to 0 னு வரும். இத அப்ளை பண்ணா 0 வரும். இதை இங்க அப்ளை பண்ணி பார்த்தோம். p of, that is q of 6 is equal to then 6 squared minus 2 into 6 minus 24. Then 6 6 are 36 minus 2 6 are 12 minus 24. Then 0. Then q of 6 is equal to 0. Also இங்க x க்கு 6 னு அப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா இங்க ஒரு மெத்தட் 0 வரும். So p of 6 is equal to 0. So first step, let p of x is equal to x squared minus kx minus 6. So x minus 6 is the HCF கொடுத்தனால x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 6. Put x is equal to 6 in p of x. Then p of 6 is equal to 6 square minus k into x. Okay, k into x means 6 minus 6. That is equal to p of 6 is equal to 36 minus 6k minus 6. Then 36 minus 6, 30 minus 6k. Here p of 6 is equal to 30 minus 6k. Then x minus c is the LCM of x square minus 2x minus 24 and x square minus kx minus 6. So p of 6 is equal to 0. That is given. So 0 is equal to 30 minus 6k. Then 6k, 6 to left hand side plus 6k is equal to 30. Then k is equal to 30 divided by 6. 1 6 is 6. 5 6 are 30. Therefore k is equal to 5. That's all. Next one, fourth sum. 3y minus 3 divided by y divide 7y minus 7 divided by 3y squared is. So two algebraic expression divide பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So 3y minus 3 divided by y into, so first fraction எந்த சேஞ்சஸும் பண்ண முடியாது. செகண்ட் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் என்ன செய்யணும்னா ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எடுத்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். ஏனா two fraction டிவைட்ல இருக்கு. So first fraction in the same position, then second one என்ன செய்யணும் ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எடுத்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். 3y square divided by 7y minus 7. Here taking 3 as common, 3 into y minus 1 divided by y into 3y square or 3 into y divided by, here 7 as common, taking 7 as common, then 7 into y minus 1, then y minus 1 cancel, y cancel, that is equal to 3 3s are 9y divided by 7. Therefore 3 into 3 9, so 9y by 7. Option A is the correct answer, right? Sum y square plus 1 by y square is not equal to, so இங்க என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா not equal. So first one y square plus 1 by y square, that is given, is equal to, here using cross multiplication, y square into y square, y to the power 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by 1 into y square. So both are equal. Option A given equal. So this is not a correct answer. Yes, not equal nu ketiranga. Next option B, y plus 1 by y the whole square is equal to, then a plus b the whole square. We know the formula, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is equal to y, b is equal to 1 by y, a square, that is y square plus 1 by y the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into y into 1 by y, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then y cancel, then y square plus 1 by y square plus 2. So இது expand பண்ணா இதுக்கு ஈக்குவலா வரல. So option B is the correct answer. பட் இது ரெண்டும் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். 1 y plus 1 by y the y square, y plus 1 by y the whole square க்கு என்ன வந்து ஆன்சர் y square plus 1 by y square plus 2. ஓகேவா? So இது ஒண்ணுதான், option B is correct. பட் இது ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலா வரும். நீங்க செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. So இதுக்கு என்ன ஃபார்முலானா a square plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square plus 2. Also a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2. அதாவது minus 2ab வரும். y cancel ஆனனால minus 2 வரும். ஈஸியான ஃபார்முலா, நீங்க செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. ரைட். x divided by x square minus 25 minus 8 divided by x square plus 6x plus 5 gives. So இது ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணனும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் x square plus 6x plus 5 ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணனும். இது a square minus b square ஃபார்மட்ல எக்ஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணி LCM எடுத்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா ஆன்சர் வரும். So solution, first one, x square minus 25 is equal to x square minus 5 square, that is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 5. That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Next one, x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to, here product of two factors are 5, then sum is 6. So 3 2s are, sorry, 1 5 is 5. 1 into 5, 5, 1 plus 5, 6 divided by x divided by x, that is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 5. Okay, then x divided by x square minus 25 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 5 minus 8 divided by x square plus 6x plus 5, that is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 5. Okay, here x divided by x plus 5 into x minus 5 minus 8 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 5. So here LCM எடுத்துக்கலாம், cross multiplication கொஞ்சம் risk ஆகும், LCM easy, that is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. So இதோட LCM என்ன வரும்னா x plus 5 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. So இதுல எப்படி சார் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றோம்னா x into x plus 1. ஏன்னா இந்த டேர்ம்ல x plus 5 into x minus 5 இருக்கு, x plus 1 மட்டும் இல்ல, so x plus 1 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். இத எப்படி செக் பண்ணோம்னா x into x plus 1 divided by x plus 5 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. So x plus 1 x plus 1 cancel, then x divided by x plus 5 into x minus 5. கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் வரும். நம்ம என்ன சேஞ்சஸ் வேணாலும் பண்ணலாம், பட் என்னன்றது சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்க கூடாது, வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகக்கூடாது. ரைட், minus 8 into, so here x plus 1 into x plus 5 இருக்கு, which term is in x minus 5. So x minus 8 into x minus 5. So minus 8 into x minus 5 divided by x plus 5 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. So x minus 5 cancel, then minus 8 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 5. So value change ஆகல. So LCM எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கரெக்ட்டா வருது. ரைட், then so இப்போ என்ன செய்யலாம்னா x into x, x squared, then x into x, x squared plus x, then x into x, x squared, x into 1 plus x, minus of 8 into x, 8x, right, 8 into 5, 40, minus 40 divided by, so a plus b into a minus b, so a squared minus b squared, that is x squared minus 5 squared into x plus 1 into x plus 1, that is equal to x squared plus x minus 8x plus 40, minus into plus minus 8x minus into minus plus 40 divided by x squared minus 25 into x plus 1. இப்போ answer, that is x squared plus x minus 8x plus 1x minus 8x, we get minus 7x plus 40 divided by x squared minus 25 into x plus 1. இப்போ answer check பண்ணிடலாம். x squared minus 7x plus 40, numerator okay, but denominator x minus 5 into x plus 5. So A is incorrect. Option B இது okay, but ஆனா என்ன இருக்கு, plus இருக்கு, இங்க minus இருக்கு, so B also incorrect. Option C, x squared minus 7x plus 40 divided by x squared minus 25 into x plus 1. So option C is the correct answer. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா x squared plus 10, numerator unequal இருக்கு, but denominator equal. So option D is incorrect. So option C is the correct answer. That's all. The sum, the square root of 256 into 8 x to the power 8 into y to the power 4 into z to the power 10 divided by 25 into x to the power 6 into y to the power 6 into z to the power 6 is equal to. So as usual exercise எப்படி work பண்ணனுமோ அந்த மாடல்ல work பண்ணி போயிட்டே இருக்க வேண்டியதான். First of all a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Same base இருந்தா power add பண்ணலாம். a to the power m divide a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, right. Then square numbers நமக்கு தெரியும். 4 1 4 9, next number 16 25 36 all are square numbers. Okay, then square root of 256 into x to the power 8 into y to the power 4 into z to the power 10 divided by 25 into x to the power 6 y to the power 6 then z to the power 6 is equal to then square root of then 16 into 16 256 divided by 5 into 5 25 okay then x to the power 8 divided by x to the power 6 is equal to x to the power 8 minus 6 that is equal to x to the power 2 so x simplify panayachi x to the power 2 okay next y then y to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4 into y to the power 2 so in the formula apply pannirukkom y to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4 into y to the power 2 so இரண்டு ஆட் பண்ணா y to the power 6 கரெக்ட்டா வந்துரும் so that is equal to y to the power 4 y to the power 4 cancel then 1 divided by y square that is y square next z to the power 10 divided by z to the power 6 that is equal to z to the power 10 minus 6 is equal to z to the power 4 okay z to the power 4 okay right then 16 divided by 5 modulus x square then x so x square the square root of x square that is equal to x square whole to the power 1 by 2 that is equal to x to the power 2 into 1 by 2 therefore we get x okay x then z to the power 4 square root remove பண்றப்ப z square divided by y okay that is option D 16 divided by 5 into x z square divided by y that's all next one 8th sum which of the following should be added to make x to the power 4 plus 64 a perfect square so solution then x to the power 4 plus 64 is equal to x square the whole square okay x square the whole square then x to the power 4 plus 8 square that is 64 a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 into x square into 8 a square plus 2ab plus b square that is equal to x square the whole square plus 2 8s are 16 x square plus 64 so option B 16 x squared is the correct answer so என்ன நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணனும் 16 x squared ஆட் பண்ணா the given polynomial is a perfect square that's all ninth one the solution of 2x minus 1 the whole squared is equal to 9 is equal to option A minus 1 option B 2 option C minus 1 comma 2 option D none of these so given 2x minus 1 the whole squared is equal to 9 then 2x minus 1 is equal to square root of 9 square x root convert agum then 2x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3 that is square root of 3 into 3 that is equal to plus or minus 3 then 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 or 2x minus 1 is equal to plus 3 then 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 shift to right hand side plus 1 then 2x is equal to minus 2 then x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2 therefore x is equal to minus 1 x is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 then 2x is equal to 3 minus 1 shift to right hand side plus 1 then 2x is equal to 4 therefore x is equal to 4 divided by 2 hence x is equal to 2 1 to x to 2 to are 4 hence the solutions are minus 1 comma 2 option C so option C is the correct answer okay next one 10th sum the values of a and b if 4x to the power 4 minus 24x cubed plus 76x squared plus ax plus b is a perfect square or perfect square not a remainder 0 then 4x to the power 4 minus 24x cubed plus 76x squared plus ax plus b so நம்ம இங்க அப்ளை பண்றப்ப ஸ்கொயர் நம்பர்ஸ் தான் அப்ளை பண்ணனும் then 2 into 2 4 okay first நான் ஆல்ரெடி 3.8 சொல்லிருக்கேன் பேரா காமன் பண்ணிட்டு வரணும் 1 2 பேர் இருக்கு remaining 4x to the power 4 so for 2 2s are 4 then x square 2 2s are 4 x squared into x squared x to the power 4 so same base power add பண்ண multiplication ல then minus cancel next step இது என்ன செய்யணும்னா 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும் into 2 then 4 x squared then remaining two terms are down பண்ணனும் minus 24x cube plus 76 x squared then fourth table தான் first இங்க minus இருக்கு ஓகேவா then minus இருந்தாலே ஒரு ஷார்ட்கட் சொல்லிருக்கோம் minus okay plus into minus minus okay right then 4 ones are 4 4 twos are 8 4 threes are 12 4 fours are 16 4 fives are 20 4 6 are 24 so number 6 okay then x squared க்கு அப்புறம் x ங்கற டேர்ம் தான் கம்பல்சரி வரும் so x squared into x x cube வந்துரும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா so minus 6x into 4x squared minus 6x so minus into plus minus 6 fours are 24 x into x squared x cube minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36 x into x x squared then minus 24 x cube plus 36 x squared okay so நமக்கு first time equal ஆகும் அப்பதான் first time cancel பண்ணிட்டே போக முடியும் சரி then plus minus then cancel then 36 sorry 76 minus 36 that is equal to 40 okay 76 minus 36 is equal to 40 x squared then remaining two terms are plus ax plus b okay right then next step 4x squared minus 12x 6 2s are 12 2 2s are 4 then 6 2s are 12 minus 12x so here plus 40x squared so plus okay plus into plus plus then 4 so 10 then 10 okay then 4x squared into 10 40x squared so 10 into 4x squared minus 12x plus 10 then 4 into 10 into 4 40x squared plus into minus minus 10 12s are 120x then plus into plus plus 10 10s are 100 then 40 x squared minus 120x plus 100 okay then remainder 0 because is a perfect square the perfect square முடிஞ்சதனால remainder 0 then a is equal to minus 20 b is equal to 100 option c is the correct answer அது டைரக்டா எழுதுறதுக்கு பதிலா சோ நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சது sign change பண்றது சொல்லிருப்போம் லாஸ்ட் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் சோ இங்க என்ன செய்யணும்னா a plus 120 is equal to 0 a plus 120 is equal to 0 also b minus 100 is equal to 0 therefore a is equal to minus 120 plus 120 so to right hand side minus 120 then b is equal to 100 therefore the values of a and b are minus 120 comma 100 option c is the correct answer that's all thank you